Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori, and today we're going to make a crustless pumpkin pie. So my ingredients are a fourth a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of stevia, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of pumpkin, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. And I have got all of my ingredients in my little chopper except for my milk. So I'm going to pour that in and I'm going to chop it up, blend it. It just makes it really quick. So here's my blend, and I've ended up using about 3/4 of a cup of the milk. I'm thinking that I don't want it too runny. So I'm going to pour it in my pan, throw it in my foodie. Okay, so I put it on my little tray so I can take it out easily, and I'm going to start it. And I'm going to go 15 minutes. The pie's been in the foodie for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. It's shut off. I just checked it. I'll check it again and show you. So if you stick a knife in and it comes out clean, that means it's done. Hi honey. Thanks for trying my pumpkin pie.
Thanks for making it. I'm guessing it's going to taste great, and it's going to fit into the Weight Watchers points that I'm allowed to eat without the crust, in the way you make it. So let's see how this goes. Tastes like dessert. Yep, this is good.